In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Monday.com. Exporting a dashboard or board view to a PDF is really helpful when you need to share a snapshot of your work with someone who doesn't use Monday.com, or when you want a fixed, printable version of your data for a meeting or report. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Monday.com and navigating to the specific dashboard or board view you want to export. This could be a high-level overview dashboard with charts and widgets, or a particular board view that shows tasks, timelines, or status updates. Take a moment to make sure the content you're seeing is exactly what you want in the PDF. For example, check any filters, date ranges, or groups that are expanded or collapsed, because the PDF will capture what's currently visible on your screen. Once you're on the right dashboard or board view, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find various options related to the view itself. Among these, you should see an option labeled Export. Depending on your layout and any updates to the interface, this may appear as a button with the word Export or as an icon with a drop-down menu. Move your cursor over to that area and click on Export. After clicking Export, a small menu will appear with different export options. From this menu, choose Export to PDF. Go ahead and click that. Monday.com will then process your current view and start generating a PDF file based on exactly what you have on the screen. In most cases, the PDF will either download automatically to your default downloads folder, or your browser will prompt you to choose where to save it. If you're not sure where it went, check your browser's recent downloads list. From there, you can open the PDF to review how it looks, print it, or attach it to an email or message. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If something important is missing or cut off in the PDF, go back to your dashboard or board view and adjust the layout, zoom level, or filters, then export again. It's often worth taking a moment to tidy up the view first, so your final PDF is clear and easy for others to understand. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to export your Monday.com dashboard or board view directly to a PDF.